Banjara tribe is one of the very well-known tribes of India. We know them by their attire. We know they wear very beautiful, very colorful kind of clothes. They wear various types of ornaments on their body, specifically women. Okay, so you can see in this picture how these Banjara women wear different types of ornaments on their bodies and different types of clothes. Almost their each and every body part has some type of ornament or clothing. Okay, so we are going to see this tribe called as Banjara tribe. So Banjara is basically, it is said that the original word comes from the Sanskrit word called Vanachara. Okay, Vana means forest, Chara means to dwell in the forest. तो ये पहले फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर हुआ करते थे, ये फॉरेस्ट में रहते थे. फिर वहां पे क्या हुआ, एक बार जैसे जैसे स्लोली फॉरेस्ट जो है वो ब्रिटिश के अंडर चले गए, प्रिंसली स्टेट्स ने उन पे कंट्रोल करना शुरू कर दिया, तो दे स्टार्टेड मूविंग आउट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट and they started selling salt, and let us say they used to trade wheat and other types of grains. So they used to have bullock carts, and they used to called as a salt merchants. Okay, so basically ये Indian gypsies है. Banjaras are the types of Indian gypsies. It is said that originally वो अफगानिस्तान से थे. They came to the state of Rajasthan. Okay, so these Banjara people, the main occupation of these Banjara people is to roam from one place to another place to sell various commodities to the people. ओके, सो जैसे आजकल ट्रेडर्स होते हैं कि एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक ट्रेडिंग का काम करते हैं, ट्रक ड्राइवर्स होते हैं जो एक एक जगह का माल दूसरी जगह तक लेके जाते हैं, वैसे वो पुराने जमाने के ट्रक ड्राइवर्स का काम करते थे. ओके, कि जैसे एक एक जगह से नमक जो है दूसरी जगह तक लेके जाना, व्हीट एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक लेके जाना, बहुत सारी चीजें जो थे वो ट्रांसपोर्ट करते थे. तो सो बेसिकली ट्रेडिंग का काम ये लोग करते थे. ओके, so this is one of the well-known tribes in India. We have seen their people. Okay, many times you see these Banjara people around you. Okay, so they live in the groups and they travel in the group. So their group is called as Tanda, Tanda, Tanda. Okay, so they have their own language called as a Gorboli. Okay, or it is also called as Lambadi. Okay, so Lambadi or Gorboli, this is a specific type of language. It's very sweet to listen to this language. Okay, so they don't have their own script as itself. It is not the script is not well developed, so they use Devanagari script. Okay, so this is very basic information about Banjaras, but the main part of Banjara is their culture. Their culture is very attractive, specifically their clothes. Okay, it is said that ki Banjara women, they weave anything and whatever they found in their clothes. So whatever they find beads, they find stones, they find mirrors, they find any beautiful metal artwork. What they will do, they will weave that into their clothes. So because of that, their clothes are very diverse. They are very, let us say, vibrant. They are very colorful. They are very shiny. Okay, so very colorful, vibrant, shiny, metallic, and so many things. So many beads they are using in their clothing. So culture wise they are using different culture wise and time wise they are using different types of material. ओके, सो पहले क्या करते थे, एनिमल्स के फीदर्स यूज करते थे, एनिमल्स के बॉडी पार्ट्स यूज करते थे. फिर कुछ जगह पे ओशन से कुछ निकलता था, बीड्स निकलते थे. वी नो ओशन हैज ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन्स एंड आल्सो दे यूज्ड टू पुट दैट, मिरर दे यूज्ड टू पुट. बट अभी वो नहीं मिलता है, तो अभी उनको प्लास्टिक मिलता है, तो कलरफुल प्लास्टिक यूज करते हैं. You can see Banjara women, they have bangles of plastics in their hand. Okay, so टाइम के हिसाब से इनका अटायर भी कल्चरली चेंज होता चला गया. सो संदूर जो कर्नाटका में है, वहां की जो वीविंग जो है, बंजारा वीविंग जो है, उसे बोलते हैं लंबानी एम्ब्रॉयडरी. Okay, see this लंबानी एम्ब्रॉयडरी is very famous. Okay, it has also got GI tag. So GI tag अगर किसी को पता नहीं तो it is a geographic indication tag, means they recognize a particular product coming from particular geography and they give it that tag recognition to the people so that that particular product get recognition all over the world. Okay, so ये संदूरी लंबानी एम्ब्रॉयडरी जो है उसको GI टैग मिला है. तो आप ये फोटो में देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, दिस इज संदूरी लंबानी एम्ब्रॉयडरी. दिस वुमन इज weaving this Sanduri Lambani embroidery cloth. Okay, so this is how these Banjara people they make their clothes. Okay, so this is very simple tribe. The main occupation of this tribe is to go from one place to another place and trade various things. and they also weave this beautiful clothes which are very much in demand all over the world. Okay, nowadays you'll see this Sanduri Lambani embroidery saris. If you go into the shop, they will not cost you less than 25,000 rupees. Okay, they are very heavy, but they are very attractive. Many times brides also wear. Okay, a little bit toned down saris. Okay, not as flamboyant as Banjaras wear, but they little bit toned down these saris. That they put little less artwork in this, but still it's very much compared to normal saris. Okay, so these types of saris they cost more than 25,000 anywhere you go. Okay, so this is all about Banjara. Thank you.